What is up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 different niches that you can start designing in today to start increasing sales in your Etsy store. The first niche I want to talk about is the baseball niche. So on Etsy, if we search baseball shirts, we will scroll through here and get some different ideas. So my favorite baseball player calls me mom. It's an awesome idea there. They're doing custom shirts here where you can plug in the name and the number of their jersey. Game day, that's a really simple one, but really cool, and I'm sure it sells well. We have baseball all day, really good. Summer days and double plays, play on words there. And right now it's an awesome time to start designing in the baseball niche because it is baseball season. So rub some dirt on it. Summer nights and baseball lights. Baseball mom has a distress text, looks really good. Dirt and diamonds. So a lot of different options here in the baseball niche. So you can scroll through here the first few pages, gain inspiration from these different listings, and start designing in the baseball niche. And anytime you're doing trend research on Etsy, you just use this as inspiration. You're never copying any other seller. Niche number 2 is the positivity and mental health niche. Mental health matters with the rainbow. Be kind to your mind. That's really cool with a really cool graphic with the flowers. Let yourself heal with the band-aid and flower. Everything will be okay. I like that on the chest. Be kind to your mind. Here's another one with flowers and the mind. You'll notice there's a lot of flowers and rainbows that seem to be popular with the mental health niche. Be the reason someone smiles today. It's an awesome niche to go into to just promote positivity and do something good. We'll search positivity shirts just to gain some more ideas real quick. So positive mind, positive vibes, positive life, that's a good one. 100 things to be happy for, that's awesome with all the different graphics. Be a nice human. If my mouth doesn't say it, my face definitely will. Okay, that's a bestseller. It's a good day for a good day. A simple smiley face. Good things take time, just breathe. Mental health matters with the graphic. Positive vibes only with the pineapple. Pineapples are super trendy right now and popular. Figure out different ways you can do phrases with pineapples. A simple be kind shirt. Believe there is good in the world with be the good. That's cool. Next niche is Christian and faith shirts. So we'll do faith shirts. So faith, hope, love with the flowers. That's really cool. Faith over fear. A lot of different gray shirts. Pray, pray, pray. The king is coming. It's a bestseller. Really simple. So you'll see a lot of times the most simple designs do the best. So you just need to experiment on Etsy, figure out what does well in your shop. And then once you find a design that does well, double down on it and just design a ton of different things within that specific niche. But this is an awesome niche to go into. People come to Etsy specifically to search for faith and Christian shirts, and it's a great place to sell them. Grow and Grace, that's a really cool design with the flower for the O on grow. God's Covenant with the rainbow. So a lot of cool different designs here in the faith Christian niche. We have faith with the flower, the stem spells faith. Scroll through the different pages here and gain inspiration from these different designs in the faith and Christian niche. Next niche is coffee shirts. As you know, a lot of people love their coffee, and coffee shirts always sell well on Etsy. So here's some different designs. We have sunshine and coffee, but first coffee. Coffee because adulting is hard. That's really funny. Bring me an iced coffee with the retro font. Coffee is my love language. Coffee makes me feel less murdery. Okay, that is an option there. May your coffee be stronger than your toddler. Awesome saying, really good text-based design, and a really nice mock-up with the mother and the toddler. Coffee brings me teacher powers, which is a great use of color and trend combining there. And you need to take advantage doing print on demand with using a variety of colors because it's so easy to do so. Sunshine and coffee with the retro vintage sunset. Iced coffee repeated with different color scheme. Those always do really well. Great niche to go into. Think of different ways to take coffee, trend combine it, and make some unique designs to start selling in your shop. And the last niche I suggest designing in now is doing fall shirts. As we're coming into the fall season, I would search fall shirts or whatever category you want to do. Fall shirts for women were a few keywords there. And I highly suggest start getting your designs up for fall. As we're coming upon September, October, November, you want to get ahead of the game and plan ahead so you can get your designs ranking and starting to get favorites so that they'll start getting momentum before fall. And there's a lot of different routes you can go within this niche and so many cool different designs you'll see as you search fall shirts or t-shirts for the fall, Halloween shirts. There's so many cool ones you can do here. So hello fall, flannels, hay rides, bonfires, pumpkins, really good color scheme. Here's some really cool graphics here, the different pumpkins. Pumpkin patch, open daily, apples, hay rides, fresh pie. That's a good one. Hello Pumpkin with the retro font. Those always do well. Autumn leaves, pumpkins please. There's a lot of cool designs here. Autumn vibes with the retro font. Hocus Pocus, you have to be careful of things like these that are trademarked, so just be cautious. Make sure you do your research on uspto.gov before you start designing. Farm Fresh pumpkins, apples, hayride cider. Basic Witch. Now's the time to start planning ahead and getting your designs up for fall and Halloween. And anytime you're doing trend research on Etsy, you just use this as inspiration. You're never copying any other seller. If you want to know 6 free ways to find t-shirt trend ideas, watch this video right here. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.